Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name's Angelica, and if you like what you see and you don't want to ghost me, make sure you subscribe, okay? Okay. So, today I'm starting my vacation prep, get ready for with me glow up transition. So me and my boyfriend are going on our first vacation. We have gone away and like spent nights away before, but we started dating, like started seeing each other last year, but like we started dating like right at the end of like everything of quarantine and everything. So we're a quarantine couple. We haven't gotten to travel, so now we're just doing a little in-state slash out of state, like we're going down to the Cape, Newport, Rhode Island. So we live here in Massachusetts, so he just thought that it would be cute. He planned out a vacation. He was like, babe, I have it booked and it's really cute. So we're going on vacation next week. We leave on Monday. So I have a lot of things I need to prep. I already did my hair, so I braided my hair last week. So I did like these Beyonce inspired Ava Marcel, I think that's how you say her name, braids. But I used 2 packets of pre-stretched X-pression hair 1B/27, and then I did a couple. I didn't do that many. I got a packet of 613 hair, but I really didn't use it. I kind of like how the gold looks with my hair. We'll see. Over time I might use the rest of the 613, but I got pre-stretched X-pression hair. It took me actually 2 days to complete, but I was dumb. I washed my hair really late, so I didn't start braiding my hair until like 8 p.m. and I braid my own hair. I should have filmed it, but like, you know, just like the anxiety of it, and I haven't done color on myself before, so I was like a little scared, a little paranoid, but it came out beautifully. It's like 48 inches. I added some hair on the end just because I wanted it to hit me like right on the butt. So that hair is added in. And then a lot at the end I just added in just extra 27 hair, so it has like a cute gradient effect. I love it on my against my skin tone. It looks gorgeous. Like, she's a blonde for the summer. But yeah, my hair is done, so that is ticked off of the checklist. I have my nail appointment at 2, so I'm gonna get a mani and pedi. That is the next thing that is on the list. So I'll show my inspo insert picture here of what I want to get for my hands. I don't know, maybe I feel like French tips colored have been such like a cool thing. A lot of people get like crazy designs. I did do a really cute design for my birthday, but I want like something simple but still a pop of color. Pink is my favorite color, so I think like pink French tips would be really cute. And then I'm just gonna get my regular pedicure, just like white toes. I have been doing color on my toes, but the white toes just go with everything. So yeah, wearing this oversized like cameled colored shirt. This is from Eddie Bauer actually, and then I just have my biker shorts on. These are from Brandy Melville. These are actually in my try on haul. If you haven't seen that already, go watch that after this video, but I got these and I absolutely love them. And then I also just got these new slides. I know they're hideous, but I like the Yeezy slides. They're kind of cute, kind of fresh. They're super comfortable, I gotta admit that. But a lot of people are like, those are ugly, but they're really comfy. So just have that on. I have my purse packed, ready to go. My appointment's at 2 o'clock. I'm gonna leave at like 1:30, so I should be leaving soon. But yeah, nails are what we need to get done. So I'll bring you guys to the salon. I'll see if it's okay for me to film. I don't know. I'll ask my nail tech. Like, I absolutely love her. Do I disclose where I get my nails done? I just don't want it to get like overrun, and I don't want the girl that I usually see get overbooked. So then when I have to, I go to Trendy Nails in Braintree. I'm just not gonna say what tech I go to because I don't need her booked. She's already always booked. But shout out to Trendy Nails in Braintree. They are amazing, super clean, like straight to it. The owner is a sweetheart herself. But yeah, that's where I get my nails done. My nails look like trash right now. I don't get gel or not gel. I do get gel. I don't get acrylics or like a dip or anything. My nails just don't like dip, and I don't need acrylics because my nails are really long. So yeah, I just do gel on my hands, regular polish on my toes. So yeah, we're gonna go to my nail appointment. I'll bring you guys along, or at least show you guys after. So yeah, vacation time. Ooh ooh. Okay, so I just got back. These are my toes. I just got simple white nail polish because she's basic. And then I did what I planned on doing. Instead of doing oval, I just did rectangled. Because I don't know, I just like how it looks. This is this hand. Okay. Hi guys. Happy Thursday. It's around 12:25 right now. I just got to the mall with mom. Have my eyebrow appointment today. We are actually both getting our eyebrows done. So these are my eyebrows right now. Haven't done them. They need to be trimmed. So we're getting a shaping and a tinting today. So getting the brows done. Ready to get your eyebrows done, Ma? So we haven't gone to this spot before. It's called Eyebrow Glam. I don't really know.
Should we go this way for Starbucks? Wouldn't this way be closer?
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, it's here in South Shore Plaza Mall. We haven't been to this eyebrow place before, but the eyebrow tech that I set up my appointment with, she actually followed me on Instagram, and I've seen her work before. I have like maybe 2 girls that I went to school with that have gone to her, and she's amazing. And the tech that my mom has, I've seen her work. She also is on Instagram. Okay. Hi guys. Eyebrows are done. They look a little dark right now. Not mad at it. They're just freshly done, but oh my gosh, the shaping is perfection. So I got my eyebrows done at Eyebrow Glam again. If you guys are like on the South Shore area, they did such a great job. Here are the brows. So I got just a shaping and then a tint. And she said they're gonna be obviously a little bit darker right now since they're like fresh, but I absolutely love it. I am not mad. Okay. Hi guys. So it is so much later now. It is 10:46. So pretty much I was being super lazy and wasn't packing for the longest time. And now I have my suitcase right here. So I have just this like little carry-on. It's 5 days that we'll be away for, and I don't want to bring too much stuff because, you know, sometimes you end up not wearing everything that you thought you were going to wear. So I don't want to overpack, but I want to have enough. So the best way that, like the way my mom always taught me, is to lay out your outfits, put them together, and see what you have for outfits. So in the corner, I just have like morning outfits for like breakfast and for when we're walking around. So I packed 2 pairs of biker shorts. I have another pair, but those are in the laundry. I'm gonna pack a pair of sweatpants. I packed 3 just like t-shirts, 1 bright colored one and then 2 just simple ones. I packed 2 bodysuits, so a white one and a tan one. And then for like little like sports bra thingies, I have 1 black one, 1 tan one. And then for tops, I have this like orangey like tank toppy one. This was in my try on haul if you haven't seen that. I'm packing that, and I have this just matching skirt, so that's an outfit. I have this top that I got from Zara. And then right here, I have like all my dresses laid out. I have one special dress that's under this, but by the time this goes up, we'll be on vacation, so I don't want him to see that dress. That's for our anniversary dinner. That's really cute. You guys are gonna love that. But I have this one, so I just packed 5 dresses. I'm still a little iffy. I don't know if I should pack more dresses or not, because with the amount of tops that I have, I'm just thinking like in between with like dinner and lunch, but we're probably gonna be out and I'll probably be in a bikini. And then I already like put aside what my outfit is going to be heading in there. So I just have this like cropped topped white like ribbed top, and then I have these shorts. So these were actually a pair of jeans that I had. I cropped them because like I haven't been able to find jeans that fit me. So these are just a pair of relaxed Levi's that I thrifted a while ago. I want to say like pre-pandemic, but yeah, these are them. They're the 560, 35 waist, 30 length. They're honestly really, really big in the waist on me, but like they fit my butt perfectly, so like I don't even care about the gap. And then I just have this white Old Navy shirt, button-up shirt that I'm gonna just wear on top of it. I haven't I need to go through my bikinis and choose. Let me actually grab my bikinis real quick. So I'm most definitely gonna bring my green bikini. I think I'll also bring my 437 one. There's the top and there's the bottom. I don't want to bring too many bikinis because I'm not like positive on how many beach days we're gonna do, but it's 1, 2, that's 2, 1, 2. I think might bring my blue one, and then I have like a whole thing of bikinis here as well. But clothes for the most part are down. Outfits are organized. We know what we're wearing. That's all that matters. I still need to go through shoes. I need to wash my makeup brushes, pack all my makeup. I don't wear makeup that often, but like this is a special occasion, this vacation. We need to look right. And figure out glasses as well. Did I say bags? Bags and shoes. So yeah, I'm gonna try and fit this into my carry-on, into my luggage. We'll see how this goes because this is usually just a carry-on. So, and then I'm gonna get to bed because I'm exhausted and I've been waking up early for the past 4 days and I don't have work tomorrow. So woo, we're gonna get to sleep in. So, okay. Sayonara, muchachas and muchachos. Hey there guys, happy Friday. So I am for the most part done packing and I could not be happier. So everything actually fit into my luggage. Boom. Underwear, all that stuff is packed. I'm just planning out my shoes right now. I have a couple pairs, 1, 2, 3 pairs of sandals. I'm gonna pack my slides as well. I'll pack 1 pair of sneakers, so I'll just pack my Nike Air Force Ones. And then I think I'll pack my, excuse me, I'll pack my black Steve Madden flip-flops. And I need to figure out which ones I'm gonna wear down. I'll probably just wear flip-flops down. We'll see what happens, but for the most part we are done packing. Now I just need to pack up my makeup, clean my brushes, and my makeup sponge. Disgusting. Just it ain't it, chief. It ain't it. And don't be nasty, don't be dirty. Clean your brushes because that's a lot of the time reasons why people break out. Girls break out. You're not washing your brushes, which is a big key and point to do. So for me, when I'm cleaning my makeup brushes, you can use facial soap. There's nothing wrong with that. But personally for me, I just really like the blender, what is it called? Blender Cleanser Solid. Just looks like this. I think it's at Ulta, Sephora. I don't even remember. I've just had this for a while. It looks like this. It has something for you to put on. And it's just this little thing of soap. And it's easy. It cleans my brushes and my beauty blender so nicely. Works every time. So I'm gonna clean them. I literally only have like 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes that I mainly use. And then my beauty blender. Before, they look terrible. Ooh. Watch how good they come out after. Like, scary. And here is after. It looks brand spanking new. Like, what? This one's kind of like butchered. This one's older than this one, but look at that. The girls are clean. So makeup brushes and sponges are clean now. I'm gonna lay these out to dry. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me with this little pack with me. Get ready for vacation. Stay tuned for the vacation vlogs. I don't know if I should do like one whole week and just post that, or if I should do like part 1 and part 2, like the first half of the week and the second half of the week. You guys tell me what you want me to post. Comment down below if I should do a part 1 and part 2 or just one big vlog. I don't know, I feel like that's a little bit too much jam-packed into one video, so I probably am gonna do 2. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Kisses to my bitches. Stay hydrated, kids. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh, and make sure follow me on Instagram so you can keep up, because right now I'm currently on vacation and you know those stories finna be lit. But okay, yeah, bye. Bye, bitches.